If you're new to QGIS and want to learn how to create your very first map, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through opening QGIS, adding map data, styling it, selecting specific countries, and exporting a clean, professional map. Go ahead and open QGIS on your computer. Once it loads, you'll see the map canvas in the middle, the Layers panel on the left, and the toolbars at the top. This is where all your mapping work will happen. Let's start by adding a base map. On the left side, open the Browser panel, expand XYZ tiles, and double-click OpenStreetMap. This gives us roads, buildings, and place names to work with. Instead of importing a file, QGIS lets us quickly add a world map. At the bottom of the screen, locate the Coordinates section. Click inside that box, type World, and then press Enter. QGIS automatically loads the built-in world map shapefile, showing all countries of the world. Now let's select specific countries to highlight. From the toolbar, choose the Select Features tool. Click on a country to select it. Let's improve the look of the map. Double-click on the World Map layer in the Layers panel to open the properties. Under Symbology, change the fill color, border color, and line thickness. Click OK once you're satisfied. To select multiple countries, hold down the Shift key while clicking on each country. Next, we'll add labels. Open the Layer properties again and go to the Labels tab. Choose Single Labels. And click OK. Your map now displays country names clearly. Once your region is selected, go to Edit and click the Copy Features tool. Then go to Edit and choose Paste Features as New Vector Layer. This creates a new layer with only the selected countries, making it clean and ready for export. Now let's turn this into a finished map. Go to Project and click New Print Layout. Give the layout a name and click OK. Use the Add Map tool to draw the map on the page. Add a title, legend, scale bar, and north arrow to complete the layout. When everything looks good, go to Layout and export your map as a PDF, image, or SVG. Choose a location to save it, and you're done. And that's how you create your first map in QGIS, including selecting and highlighting specific countries. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.